Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace: gloves, goggles, and a drop cloth under the vent. Apply painter's tape and remove screws into a labeled bag. Apply a thin, even coat of solvent or stripper to a small panel. The idea is to soften paint without damaging metal. Wait the manufacturer time, usually 5 to 10 minutes, then use a nylon scraper to lift softened paint. Once paint lifts easily, you know the product and timing work for the rest. Now you tackle stubborn sections. Repeat stripper application on small areas and scrape. For louvers and tight spots, use a brass brush or dental pick to avoid gouging metal. For flat surfaces, sand starting with 80-120 grit to remove remaining layers, then refine with 220 grit to smooth scratches. Make sure to remove all residue. Many strippers require a neutralizer or water rinse. Follow the label. Dry completely to prevent flash rust. This step ensures primer will adhere properly when you repaint or leave bare metal. Finish by wiping the vent with a lint-free cloth and applying a corrosion-inhibiting metal primer. Spray primer gives the most even coat on vents. Once primed, you can paint or leave the metal exposed. If you spot rust, treat it with a rust converter, let it cure, then reprime the area before painting. If paint won't come off, make sure you use the right stripper for the paint type. If not, repeat a patch test or carefully use a low-temperature heat gun to soften stubborn layers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.